I'm very excited. It's looking very sunny and hopefully we'll have a great day.
Do you like going by car or train, Neha?
Train.
Why?
Because car is always upset.
We have parked the car.
So where are we going now?
Train.
Near to the railway station.
We almost reached the station and it was so cold, so we sneaked into the waiting room. It's interesting how kids wants to explore the train and they never sit along with us. And it's our train, so hopefully gonna have a good time. As the train passed by, there were some beautiful sceneries around and Adi was holding my hand. It was so warm and Neha was with her mom. And Waterloo has arrived. While we were waiting for the ram to take over, Neha was walking fastly.
Why are you walking?
So we are going to London Bridge.
లేచి నడుచుగా బాగా గోల్ ఉండదు ఏమైంది కూర్చో ఆమె కొనిస్తా ఆమె కొనిస్తా పెద్ద బిల్డింగ్ కదా
Wind is blowing through our hair, the lights are shining.
Wish that yellow boat wasn't there.
From up above and down below, we fall into the afterglow. So now, this is the perfect night tonight. Oh, oh, it's now or never. Come on, let's light up the sky. Oh, oh, now we're together. Come on, let's light up the sky.
This is my favorite view where you see all the buildings from French Street and then the Tower of London and the Tower Bridge itself. It was so cold that Audie was crying, so we had to immediately go for inside. So we found a food hall next to it where we could get some Indian food. We went to the first floor where there was a Lakshmi's kitchen and then we had tea and some snacks and the view was beautiful from there.
Let's light up the sky.
And we took a lift to just get onto the Tower Bridge.
Run like tigers underneath the sun. The moon
London trip is always magical.
night is young, and this is where we all belong. So now, come let your soul and mind.
We wanted to go onto the top and walk on the glass bridge, but with the kids we felt like we don't want to risk it.
It's now or
Probably for the next time.
never. Come on, let's light up the sky. Oh, oh, now we're together. Come on, let's light up the sky. Just you and I.
This Tower of London was mentioned as a 1,000-year-old building, and it's interesting like how it has stayed rock solid, and all those green patches were filled with water, it seems, around the fort to prevent any enemies to attack. It was really interesting to know that it's a 1,000-year-old building.
Let's light up the sky.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit like and subscribe and join the family. And I have the next videos coming up on London. Stay tuned for it. Thank you guys.